Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here, and do I have a special video series for you? It is the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. I decided to share with you my favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Some of them I've been making for over 20 years, and a couple of them are new ideas that I just added to the assortment. All veganized for everyone to enjoy, but not a single one lacking in amazing taste. The hardest part will be deciding which ones to make. From super simple to a bit more time consuming, these cookies will have your holidays sweeter than ever. So for the next 12 days, I will be adding another recipe to the list, so be sure to subscribe here to my channel and you won't miss a single one. And here we are at day 9. Can you believe it's almost over? Well, I'm definitely saving the best for close to last with these inside-out peanut butter cup cookies. Yep, the name says it all. Peanut butter cookie cups filled to the brim with chocolate ganache. These little gems are so easy to make, and if you have a mini cupcake pan, you're halfway there. I will warn you though, they may be easy to make, but they are even easier to eat, so have some control, will you? Make sure they last until the party. Yes, I'm talking to myself. Alright, let's get to making them, and you will need peanut butter and vegan butter, light brown sugar, flour, egg replacer, and yes, of course, I'm using my favorite egg replacer, the plant-based egg by Freely Vegan. And if you guys are wondering why I'm promoting it so much lately, I did have a hand in developing this product, so I'm really thrilled that it's finally gone to market. So if you want to help support small business endeavors and have perfect vegan recipes, grab a bag today. All the links are below. Thanks in advance, you guys. I've also got baking soda, salt, plant milk, and vanilla extract, which I'm going to add right to my milk. Then get the dry ingredients, including the egg replacer, sifted together, and then you'll just get to mixing this like a basic peanut butter cookie recipe. The vegan butter and sugar is creaming to light and fluffy, and this is going to take about 4 minutes on high speed. I'm then adding in just 3 tablespoons of that plant milk, and then the rest of the plant milk is going to go in last. Add in the sifted dry ingredients, and then the remaining plant milk. And that's it. Now, I will mention if you don't have the mini cupcake tin, you can of course just make regular peanut butter cookies. This recipe works both ways. But for this really unique twist, get your tins lightly greased and then scoop the dough into each cavity. I hate saying cavity. It's such a turn-off to me when we're talking about baking. But there really is no other word for it, right? I mean, I guess I could say cupcake hole, but that also sounds weird. Okay, anyway, scoop your dough balls, and then you're going to want to press the dough up and around the sides and make a slight well into the center. Now bake them in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for just about 12 to 14 minutes, and they're going to look nice and golden brown around the edges to help you know that they're done. I then take a scooper while they're still warm and press the centers in a bit because I do want to fill these babies with as much chocolate ganache as possible. So this just helps that along. Let them cool, and then you can fill them up with ganache. A sprinkle of chopped toasted peanuts for each one, and that is it. You are done. A really awesome addition to the cookie platter this year. I swear I can't tell which ones I loved the most so far. Well, I love all of them, and that's why I'm sharing my favorites with you. And there's still 3 days left of recipes, so don't choose yet. I do hope you're going to want to make these, and all of them actually, so head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the recipes. Comment below because I do love hearing what you guys are thinking, what you would do different, and if you plan to make these. As always, I want to thank all of you for watching and being here with me. I know there are tons of other YouTubers that you could be watching, and the fact that you choose to give me some of your time each week really means so much. Alright everyone, until tomorrow, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.